Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your loved ones are doing well today, keeping safe and healthy as always. So today's video, I want to do one look using the I Heart Revolution watermelon palette, and this one is also in my summer makeup drawer. And this is the palette. So I have used it for quite a bit already, and I really love I Heart Revolution. These palettes are my favorite from them. Unfortunately, they did get discontinued, so I'm holding tight to the ones I have. I would never declutter these because they are just really beautiful palettes, and you get a unique color story. And so I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music, and for the brushes I will be using like the usual. I have the Prolux blending brush, and then I have the Sigma E27. And then for blending, I use a BH Cosmetics. This is number 4. And then that's pretty much it. Oh, and then for inner corner, I like to use the Eco Tools Micro Smudge Brush. So there we go. So those are just like my brushes. I don't really use too much, only because I'm just doing like a really simple eye. So let me zoom in. Okay, so I am done using this palette. I really love how the eye look came out. I think it's really vibrant and fun, and it looks like it's like watermelon colors, just in a subtle way. Okay, for my lip product today, I'm using the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm and the shade Laguna. So it's like a mini one that I'm trying to finish up right now. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished look. So for the I Heart Revolution palette, I really love the formula. I think the mattes and shimmers perform beautifully. They are really easy to work with, and I absolutely love how they look on my eye. I will never declutter these palettes just because I really think they're super fun to use. I love that there's a theme for each palette that you get. And also, I don't think I Heart Revolution is no longer existing, so I don't ever want to depart away from these. I definitely want to use them more because I have like a collection of these palettes. So thank you, my friend, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. May God bless always, and I hope that you take good care. Be safe, be well, keep hydrated, and I am wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I hope to see you soon in my other video whenever I upload it. Okay, bye, my friend.